Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make pepper soup. I know so many of you know how to make pepper soup, but today I'm going to be teaching you my own special recipe. And in this video, I know you're going to learn a lot of things from this video. So first of all, I'm going to start out by showing you the ingredients that we're going to be using for this soup. So these are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using for the pepper soup. This is crayfish. I've already washed it, so this is one of the ingredients. And this is pepper. You know it's pepper soup now, so we're using fresh pepper for this one. Pepper, onions, and Maggi. It's actually a small, just very small soup, so that's why these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. So the gas is lit, so I'm going to be pouring water into the fry pan so that it can boil for a little bit. So now our water is boiled, as you can see, and we're going to put the ingredients in. So first we're going to start with the onions. We're going to put the onions in, and then after putting in the onions, we wait for 2 minutes before we add the rest of the ingredients.
I'm going to put in the pepper next. So the pepper is going in.
Now after putting the pepper in, we're going to turn it and make sure everything mixes together, because we want everything to come together. So now you can see that it's already giving that color, you understand? So it already looks beautiful. I know. So after this, we're going to add our crayfish, which is the next thing. We'll add our crayfish now. This is the crayfish. I've already washed it, so I'm just going to put it inside like this. So you can see it's looking very colorful and beautiful. Oh, they just brought the lights. I think this is going to taste really nice. Can you see this? Oh my god. Show me a better pepper soup. So we're going to let this boil for about 5 minutes, and then when we come back, we're going to add our seasoning, and yes, our food will be ready by then. So next we're going to add the seasoning cube. I don't know if you guys can see the seasoning cube. So we'll add our seasoning cube into it. Then we add salt to taste. So now we've added our seasoning and we've added salt to taste. So now I'm going to see how it really tastes. Did you see me? Right now our food is ready, as you can see, guys. This is so beautiful. I'm going to leave it for a minute or two to boil, and then I'm going to bring it down and you guys are going to see the final result. This looks so beautiful already. Wow! So I'm done cooking and my videographer had to step out, so I'm going to be showing you guys the finished product. This is the pepper soup. Guys, I didn't even know it was going to come out as beautiful as this. If you look at it, you're going to be seeing all the ingredients. Like, it is really transparent and beautiful. So I'm going to be testing it now so that you guys can know how it tastes. So this is me taking my first sip. I know it's going to be mad. I know. Let me just taste it. Rate this pepper soup on a scale of 1 to 10. Personally, I think I'm going to rate it a 9 over 10. So let me know what you will rate it in the comment section. And yeah, very beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys try out this recipe. It's really nice. If you're a married woman, try your best to prepare this for your husband and kids. If you're a single girl, you can also try this recipe. Very nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Let me go and enjoy my pepper soup, if I will drink it.